And here's how to screen share on Discord. Go to the server or you want to share your screen, and we have to join a voice channel first of all. So select a voice channel, and once you are in a voice channel, click on this share your screen icon, and here select the specific tab, which tab you want to share, or you can select window, and then you can select a different app or software to share. And in order to share your entire screen, then select entire screen and select entire screen, and to share your system audio, enable this option and click on share. And that's it. You have successfully started to share your computer screen on Discord. Now to stop sharing, click on stop sharing, and that's it. Thanks for watching.